Hi, I'm Katri Uno. We get to use clay today. These are my friends Cash and my grandson Cade and my grandson Kono, and we're going to make an animal from a pinch pot. So first thing we need to do is make a ball. Then we're going to make a pinch pot. So get rid of your edges. Use the inside of your hand. Pound it a little bit. Use the inside of your hand and make a ball shape. All right, the next thing we need to do, they're good enough.
Mine looks like a sandwich.
Yours looks like a sandwich?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
it's
okay.
good. It's good. Yeah, it's great.
Okay.
We need a thumb. And look, is my thumb bigger?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so my thumb is also stronger. Just push down hard. Making a hole in your sandwich, trying not to have fat parts. Trying to have parts that are about the same thickness.
All done.
All done with the pinch pot. Good start. All right. So after you have your pinch pot, the next thing to do is go. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah. It looks like you already knew how to do it. What a guy. So we're just smooshing with our thumbs. Up, up, up and turn, up and turn, up and turn. Smooshing up with our hands. Smooshing a little bit up. All right, so you're squeezing your sides, kind of making them a little taller if you want to. You don't have to. Squeezing inside. Squeezing if you want to. Kind of thin your sides down a little bit. Okay, everybody has a little bunny they're happy with. Yeah. Or a monkey that you're happy with. You have a monkey you're happy with? Yeah, good. Anyone, you want to have any questions? No? Okay, it gets fired once. Cash, I don't know if you know about clay, but it gets fired once, then you put glaze on it. That's the color on the outside. And then it gets fired again, so it goes into the kiln or the oven again. Then it comes back to you, and you get to have it. Pretty exciting, huh? It'll last 5,000 years. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good.